If all wishes come true. There was a little, but always cranky girl. Everything was bad for her. It wasn't enough toys, the gifts she was getting were wrong. She wished to meet an enchantress that would turn her life a fairy tale. One day an enchantress came to the little girl and said that she will fulfill one of her wishes. The girl became very happy at first, but then she started to think. She had a lot of wishes and all of them were important for her. The girl thought for a long time. She could not choose just one. Then kind enchantress said that she gives her the fulfillment of one wish every day. The girl became happier. Now all her dreams will come true. She thanked kind enchantress and ran home. From that day she was waiting for every morning with joy and enthusiasm, because one more dream will come true for her. The days passed, the dreams came true. But soon the little girl realized that fulfillment of the wishes does not give her joy and happiness which she hoped for. Many wishes brought her disappointment, and some even a pain. Almost every dream was an empty little girl's caprice. Being satisfied, she suddenly realized that she did not want this. The girl was getting sadder and sadder day by day, and wish fulfillment did not bring any joy to her. Soon she started to fear her own dreams. So the girl went to the kind enchantress and asked her to take her terrible gift back. She was afraid to live, afraid to wake up every day, waiting for an imminent execution of another wish. Crying, she asked an enchantress to fulfill only one her dream, to live as she lived before and enjoy life. And that her many wishes would remain only the wishes, from which she will select the one she will bring to her life. Kind enchantress had mercy upon the little girl. She waved her magic wand and disappeared. The girl ran home. She was happy, because she knew that now she would laboriously seek for her one big cherished dream, not wasting time with short-term, in fact, quite unnecessary whims.